Okay. Magme-message muna si Joshua muna mag-message sa amin anniversary ni lolo niya.
Happy anniversary po, Lola. We are so very honored to witness your 49th anniversary. It has been 49 years since you have been married, and that really just shows how much you love each other. And we are very thankful and grateful to be part of the Valencia family.
Thank you, Joshua. Now, si Loka naman ang magme-message.
Happy 49th anniversary, Lola and Lolo. We thank you a lot for coming here so we can enjoy your presence. We really enjoy all the time you spend with us. I'm really thankful. Thank you for always being kind to us. And thank you for all the gifts and food you give us sometimes too.
Okay, thank you, Loka. Pwede ka na Understood? Understand what I said? Pwede ka na
Okay, so...
Okay, now, si ano na naman ang susunod? Si Jeremy.
Happy anniversary, Lola and Lola, for the 49th anniversary. We're very thankful for your loyalty for each other and how much you love each other and how much you spend time with us. And we're also really thankful you feed us and take care of us. And we're also very thankful for the sleepovers we've been in your house. And they were very amazing and we had a lot of fun there.
Thank you also, Jeremy. Ngayon naman si Marco naman susunod.
Happy anniversary, Yaya and Yaya. You're always so kind to us and generous. You always give us gifts and you always prepare us such nice food. And thank you so much for your kindness.
Okay, thank you rin, Marco. Ayan, silang apat yan mga apo namin dito. Okay, thank you. I love you. Si Josiah, ang message ni Sopa. Si Sopa. Okay, thank you. I love you. Dito na sila. Ayan, dumating sila Jonar, si Poppy.
No!
Ayan.
Dumating!
Galing sila sa Galing sila sa kanilang party. Nanalo daw si Axel. Come here, Sophie.
Oh no! What is this? Oh my goodness! What?
Okay.
Trophies!
Okay po. Mayroon kang message, baby? Mayroon kang message? May message? Okay. Ayan. Si baby busy sa kusina. Ayan. Pizza Napolitana. Si Tommy bumili ng KFC sa sa Bradford. Magme-message daw ito sila, si Poppy, si Sofia, si Axel at saka si Eya. Ang hindi pa sa amin nag-message. At si Josiah nag-message na yan, umiiyak. Ayan. Hi Josiah, yan ba message mo? Okay. Sila muna paunahin natin kasi baka gusto na maglaro eh. O sige.
Nagkalat ang tatay niya.
O sige, Sophia. Sophia.
Happy ba, Jenny, anak?
After the message.
Naman itong ubo na to.
My skin is gonna be so
Okay.
O sige, prayer muna. O sige. O sige, prayer mo.
Is it a jeep? Wow, a jeep. Natulog si
Where's your hands? Hands your hands.
Wow.
Very good hands. Okay. How are you able to hold it?
Nice armor on a box.
Yung mga African doon tsaka English. African English, Filipino.
Go here,
Here, Axel, transform here. Wala
Kailangan niya mga Afrikano at English? Mga traditional ano?
Alright, let's go.
Gawa ni Jonah. Nanalo daw si Axel. Asan ang kanyang trophy?
Wow! Galing nga! How did you make that? It's so good.
Thank you another time. Sophia, when you...
Oh, isa Filipino jeepney.
Okay, can I go upstairs now?
You guys take that off for it.
Yeah.
Anong tawag niyan?
Yeah, and then you...
Jeep na robot.
Ano siya? Parang art
Transformer.
art recycling contest.
So, hindi lang siya Filipino pala. Sa ano?
Ayan. Ipon-ipon kami ngayon dito. Anong pizza ngayon? Pizza? 22 na. 22 na. Onyo.
Joshua. Jeremy.
Diyan muna.
Stay here, come on. Have a seat.
Oh. Ngayon. Teka.
What are you doing here?
Espiritu at gabay, ako sa ito sana po. Marami pa silang taon na ipagdiwang ang kanilang anniversary. Kaya po kami, ang mga hirapan na maglipot sa inyo na sama-sama. Patawad po mga hirapan sa mga pagkukulang namin at naway basbasan ang pagkain namin paswasluhan sa oras natin. Nagtagipig po sa mga panalangin ng mga Jehova sa pangalan po namin Hari, Panginoon sa Kristo. Amen.
Okay.
English.
Okay.
We hope you're always healthy. We wish you have a long life. And we always hope we can
give me some good
Thank you, Axel. Thank you. And also Sophia. Yeah, thank you, Axel, for your message to us. And now, next, Sophie, please.
Jerry, what's wrong with you?
Here already.
Lola wants to say and I hope you. And I hope
Just sit
I
down.
apologize for Jeremy.
Why didn't you just pick it up immediately?
Jimmy, why did you have to throw it at me?
Thank you very much, Sophia. And also, next, Poppy, what is your message to us?
Thank you for all the
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Okay, take it back. I don't want it anymore. And then did you have birthday and life? Thanks for like other people.
Okay, thank you very much, Poppy. Love you all. Love you all.
That's my trophy, bro.
Oh, si Ian na lang. Axel. Si Ian naman ang mag-message, si Iya. Axel, si Iya have a message to us.
Happy anniversary. Happy anniversary. I'm glad you.
Yeah, I know, right?
I love you.
Wait, what? You did
Thank you for
Yeah, crazy.
coming here with us. I love you.
Okay, thank you, Iya. Now, time to eat. Thank you, Iya. Thank you. Thank you for your message to us. Okay. Sige, time to eat.
Jeremy, why do you have big creatures also?
Sonia?
Thank you, te. Sarap.
I'll take a small piece. No, please.
Sige, kain.
Yan.
Bigyan sa ako ng ano Alexa.
Ayan, wow! Naku, picture!
Ayan. Binigyan pa kami ng cake.
Tayo, busy ito.
Kaya pala nagtagal si Tommy. Binilihan pa tayo ng cake. Dito, ilagay ni.
Ha?
Andiyan na pa yan.
Ayan, binili ni Tommy cake din.
Okay lang yun, tayo. Ganun talaga ang ano. Sa akin nga, mabot ng 1,000 na nakaraan.
Ay, hawakan niyo ma. Ay,
Hindi, yung
kayo
dati.
dalawa na lang.
Kaya binantaw yun eh.
Si Joshua talo, dalawa lang.
Mas makulit ah.
Hi! Hi!
Okay, may biko.
Piniturahan ko yung kwarto ni Iya dito sa... Mukhang
pang restaurant.
Bakit ano po? Bakit mga restaurant?
Kasi nag-practice ako para dun sa restaurant lang sa...
Talaga? Ay, yung gagawin mo professional. Maganda yun. Sa mga hospital nakita ko may mga ganon.
Talk about the side.
Okay, thank you all of you.
Si Joshua talo, dalawa lang.
Mas makulit